Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. If you look at the current affairs, we have various points starting from the regional level to the international level. Like the most powerful man on the earth, that is the President of America, Mr. Donald Trump, is sick now and he is infected with coronavirus. Now he is under treatment. So, like this, various issues will be there. And if you come to the national level, Atal Tunnel, so is one of the very important points. In the similar manner, at the regional level, at the state level, there may be some important news, and kindly follow the regional newspaper and try to get the information from there. But whenever those regional issues are very striking, then if it is catching the attention of the nation, we'll have a discussion on this particular platform. Now, let me open the document and show you the points for today. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. The first one, recently, which country has launched Kalpana Chawla spacecraft? Everybody must be aware of this great personality, that is Kalpana Chawla. There is no necessity of any special introduction regarding this wonderful woman. Now the question is that, recently, which country launched Kalpana Chawla spacecraft? Is it United States of America, India, Japan, or Germany? Look at the answer. Answer is option A. Northrop Grumman has launched their Cygnus vehicle named as SS Kalpana Chawla and an Antares rocket for NG-14 mission to the ISS. ISS stands for International Space Station. So this is one important point. And another important one is this question is related to the naval exercise. This is a very common thing nowadays. Most of the countries are going for these naval exercises. That is nothing but to show off their strength collectively. So they perform these activities so that they will be exhibiting their bonding and good relations to the entire world. Now the question is that the exercise Bongo Sagar is the name of naval exercise between India and very important one. It started just recently, and the name of the naval exercise is Bongo Sagar. One country is India, and what is the other country? Is it Bangladesh, Nepal, Maldives, or Myanmar? And you must have heard about this. Option A, that is Bangladesh, is the answer for this. Look at this. So this is the second edition of exercise Bongo Sagar. This is a bilateral naval exercise between India and Bangladesh, commenced in North Bay of Bengal on 3rd October 2020. Please remember, these type of bilateral naval exercises and other exercises, they have become a common phenomenon to show their strength, to show their bilateral relations, and to show their solidarity to the entire world. So that is the reason why these exercises are conducted. This is a very common phenomenon throughout the world. Now, so this is which is very much there in the news, and India's great effort, and all the credit should be going to BRO. BRO stands for Border Roads Organization. Please remember, BRO functions under the Ministry of Defense, and the responsibility of the BRO is to construct the roads in the border areas. This is a wonderful work, superb work has been done by BRO with respect to Atal Tunnel. Now the question is that, in which state Atal Tunnel is located? Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Gujarat, or Karnataka? Definitely Karnataka is ruled out, as we all know. Gujarat is also ruled out, right? And don't get confused here. And the answer is option A, that is Himachal Pradesh. And whenever you are reading regarding Atal Tunnel, please also read regarding Rohtang Pass and also Pir Panjal Range. Look at this. Option A, this is Himachal Pradesh. It has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, and this is the world's longest high altitude tunnel, and this is in Rohtang. Very important one, and this is 9.2 kilometers length. It has been constructed with a massive technology. Lots of security arrangements have been made by BRO, and more than 3,000 crores, 3,300 crores have been spent on this one. Wonderful engineering work by our BRO, and our salutes to BRO. And remember, there may be a possibility of question. BRO functions under the Ministry of. Answer is Defense Ministry. Right? Look at this. Another important one. How much percentage of households in India do not receive the tap water supply? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the percentages. Important. Answer is 81.67. To address this, we have a mission called Jal Jeevan Mission. Clear? And please remember, when it comes to the central government schemes or state government schemes, both are very important for you. Central government schemes for all the examinations at this national level. And when it comes to the regional examination, whatever you are writing in your state, the schemes that are launched in your state, they are important for your examination point of view. Meaning, you need to read both the central government schemes as well as state government schemes. And with respect to our classes, we will be covering all the central government schemes whenever they are announced. And you please take care of the state programs. Right? So this is important for your examination, and there may also be the questions for you on your state issues when you appear the civil services interview. Fine. That is the reason why get prepared with all the things, and you need to prepare from various angles. Thank you so much. I'll stop this at this stage, and I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Take very good care. Good night.